Hi everyone, in this investment minute, I just want to give you a quick overview of the investment process. You know, there's a lot of ways in which we get stock names, social media, articles, journalists, God forbid. The trick is to have clear strategies of generating name ideas, but they're just ideas. We put them into the top of the funnel. We then use software and tools, which I'll teach in future videos, to analyze those companies into two categories. Are they quality companies or performance? Now, in my view, there's only 5 quality companies in the world. We'll talk about that in future, but we'll assume everything else has to be a performance company. For a performance company, I have a time limit of 12 months. I do not have a price limit. Why 12 months? Well, research from Goldman Sachs shows that's a good basis on which to judge a company's financials. Why don't I have a price limit? Well, why would I cap a return? I've had companies which have gone up 100%, which if I'd have a price target, I might only have got out at 20% gains. So I give them time limits, not price targets. We have a stop loss. Generally for me, it's a 12-month holding and a 25% stop loss. If the market is more volatile, that could be a 30% stop loss. We've got 3 decisions to make: buy, sell, or hold. And you've got to decide: domestic stocks, exchange traded funds perhaps, and global companies, including American companies. On the hold, I'm America biased, and most of my stocks tend to be US because they perform a lot bigger, and I choose a universe of 8,000 stocks and, like I said, 7 strategies. That's a very quick rundown. In future videos I will add more meat to that disciplined process so that I can narrow down the stocks that I need to hold, roughly 15 in my portfolio, and how I can take any piece of information from those 8,000 names, wherever they might come from, use the tools, evaluate them quickly, and then leave it well alone, go out and smell the roses and play with my son.